this. What? This can't be my life. My cousin told me he thought about taking my life. Them niggas say they so. I want nigga flame. I ain't staying before. I said, chill. Yo, what's good? Alright. Basically, what I'm gonna do today is just go over. I had finally passed my first eval after trading for probably like I'm just gonna say like 4 or 5 months, around 4 or 5 months. And yesterday I had passed my eval, but today I'm going over it. I wanted to start journaling my trading journey on YouTube, just going over how I see the markets, going over what trades I take, psychology, all of that. And I decided today would be a great start after passing my eval yesterday. So this is the trade that I took yesterday. And basically going into the market, I was seeing bullish. We looked pretty bullish on higher time frames, daily, 4 hour, hourly. I saw this manipulation leg down. And I entered pretty early into the market. Let's see, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minutes into the market open, but I did really like how we respected that level. And it was pretty emotional trade just because going into the trade we had dipped down instantly, and I was shitting bricks, I can't lie, bro. Like, this shit was crazy to me. But luckily we got to my BE pretty fast after that. So on this white line here I took BE, and after that we just kept on going up. I had moved to a trailing stop after a while just because I was looking at ES, the correlating asset, and it was very, very choppy compared to what NQ was doing. So I'd moved my trailing stop here. Even though we got edged on my TP, like I expected it to go down, to be honest, just because how much I got edged here. And I got edged on my trailing stop, and then we finally hit TP, bro. And I was like, bro, it was an emotional roller coaster, but shit, we finally got it done. I somehow got this account from the fucking trenches, bro. I can't lie. I was down like 3 trades. It doesn't say here, but I believe I was down a trade on one of these days. My journal is a little messed up right now, but we had clutched a lot of trades in a row to get to where I am now on my first ever XFA. And basically today I couldn't trade. Well, I didn't trade. I forward tested some trades, and because my alpha has to still get approved or some shit with some contract shit. But I had just erased my trade, but I can go back into it. Let's see. I took a long today. What's today? Today's Tuesday. Alright, let's go here. The trade I took was a decent long. I liked what we were looking at. Looking on a 4 hour. Coming from yesterday, I was still pretty bullish. We're in this fair value gap here. We had kind of respected consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. And I like the draws that we have higher. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity up here, but I wasn't expecting it to trend up. But I was still just looking for bullish in general. And tapping into the hourly looking, I had set my targets for this fair value gap, the consequent encroachment, and hopping into the lower time frames. We had swept pretty early into market open, a 15-minute, so somewhat of a 15-minute Judas swing. I've started implementing that in my trading. And I had entered pretty early. I entered here. Not super early into market open. Stops below here. And where's the fair value gap? Sorry about that. I literally just deleted this shit because I have to re-record this video. I can't lie. The last one got cooked because of echo or some shit. Okay. Yeah, it was like this. Something like this. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this was it. So after we got that sweep, even though we did tap into, we did sweep some type of highs. I believe it was London. Let's see. Yeah, we had swept London highs, and I believe this is Asian highs as well. But I wasn't really super concerned. I mean, overall, on every higher time frame, I was still bullish, so I wasn't really concerned about that at all. Entered here after we got this inverse fair value gap, and I was just pretty positive on this trade. I mean, I liked my confluences. I like that we sweep. We're still in the 4 hour fair value gap and stuff like that. And I had targeted consequent. Oh no, I targeted here. Consequent encroachment of this 1 hour fair value gap. I don't know what this is. And even though I couldn't take this trade, I mean, I just like forward testing the days that either I'm too busy to take trades or something like that, or I just literally couldn't. I mean, it's my first past eval, so I'm not really stressing on like, oh, I gotta make money, to make a certain amount. I still have a job and shit like that in the real life or in the real world. But I'm still trying to like slowly scale, hopefully, God willing, even though many people say you can't make money on your first XFA, I'm looking just for a low amount of payout to be able to reinvest, hopefully buy another account, go with 2 XFAs, and continue on like that. I think I'm definitely going to risk not as much because I'm not looking for a crazy payout or anything like that. Something short just to get it done with, you know what I mean? Have that accomplishment, because this is definitely a big accomplishment for me. It took a while, and I think just based off of me not really having the discipline in my life overall, definitely reflected on the charts. And I think I've definitely been seeing more discipline in my life in general, and that definitely has helped my trading as well. And I think making this YouTube channel will definitely help me as well, just because I'll have something that I will force myself to do at least every trading day, to go over, review the markets, review my trades, review my psychology, talk about things, you know what I mean? Hopefully have a community that supports me and stuff like that. So just having people help you and you help others, everyone is in their own place in their trading journey. I think having to see, even though it takes time, you can eventually do it if you put the work in, you put the effort in, and you spend time to actually learn and study. You know what I mean? You can't be lazy with this shit, bro. If you're lazy, bro, I mean, you can get lucky, but I don't think you'll make it long term. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I was affected. I was like, damn, I really wish I could just become a profitable trader instantly. But I'm actually glad that I had this journey that I've been going through to make me the better trader. Obviously, I'm not making 10K or anything. It's just a past eval, but still, having finally did that shit, I was like, wow, it was definitely an exciting feeling. And I just want to see how much more I can go into my trading journey. But that's really all for today, fellas. You know what I'm saying? Just reviewed 2 trades, and I'll delete this real quick. And I'll go through what I'm feeling for the market tomorrow, if I can find where we're at. Okay, but I'm still pretty bullish, just because we had respected this fair value gap, or at least we're delivering out of it currently. Yes, we have these highs here, but I'm not really super concerned when we have all this low resistance liquidity up here that I'm still looking forward to take. I think I'm definitely looking more NQ rather than ES, because we don't really have as much low resistance. We kind of have all-time highs resting right here, and then we have these highs resting. Yes, we're delivering out from the 4 hour fair value gap more here, but I don't know. We'll see how London moves tomorrow. It'd be nice to see something like tapping in this and then delivering higher or something like that. But we'll see how it goes. I'm definitely looking bullish tomorrow, and I'll definitely be reviewing and telling y'all what I'm feeling and showing y'all what I took if I do take anything tomorrow. And that's all. I'll catch y'all. Peace.